Hi friends, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel Civil Softwares, where you can learn all the softwares related to civil engineering. If you are new to this channel, so please consider subscribing. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see how to set the units in Autocad. So open your drawing. So I'll do the page setups first. I'll switch off the grid mode as I'm not comfortable with the grid mode. If you can switch it on. So mainly there are two ways to go to the units dialog box. The first one is press UN in the command line and press enter. You will be redirected to the units dialog box. Close it. The another way is go to the left top corner of your AutoCAD and go to drawing utilities and press units. You will be redirected to the same units dialog box. Now if you want to draw your drawing in millimeters, meters and centimeters, then make sure you select the type as decimal and the precision as 0.4 zeros or 3 zeros or 2 zeros, as you wish guys. The precision you can select as you wish. I'll be setting 4 zeros always, and make sure you press the international always, and don't worry about this thing as angle. I'll be explaining you this thing in the next videos. And press OK. Now the drawing is set to millimeters. If you want to change the unit, then press go to units, and now if you want to draw in inches, consider you want to draw your drawing in inches, then make sure you select the type as architectural and the precision as you wish guys. I will be selecting half inches always. Then keep it as international, then press OK. Now your drawing is set to inches. That's it about the units guys. If you find this video useful, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys.